All right, so today is Wednesday, February 9th. We got this car ready to come off the jig. I believe this is number 42. And then we got 43 over here getting ready to be built. We are buttoning up a few things here. This is a hobby stock that was built a little while ago. The gentleman just hasn't been able to get here from North Dakota to pick it up. So this is a hobby stock ready to roll out the door. This car is leaving on Friday. So this was car 39. So a little orange-tastic going on. And safety yellow. Interesting combination, but goes together all right. The red interior on the back is for the car on that jig. That one's not getting powder coated.
Yeah.
So,
it's remotely fucking flat.
Yep.
So what's the game plan?
This car is going out, that car is going out, that car is going to get finished on the rotisserie quick, and then sometime this afternoon we're going to start building, what is that, 41?
43.
43.
Yep.
43.
So we'll go ahead and do the car jockey right now, and then we'll go ahead and do the car jockey and get everything ready to roll here.
guys, Wednesday morning, Thursday morning actually. We got a car going on the jig over there this morning. That one's gonna be done tomorrow. Plan there. We'll see how that goes. This one's in there so we can get it ready for next week. This car, hobby car, is supposed to get picked up this weekend. That car is supposed to get picked up tomorrow. And Missy's got a car that we finished up yesterday that's supposed to go down a powder coat. So that's what we got going on this morning. See what happens. It'll be an interesting 2 days. Try and get this thing put together. See you guys later.
Hey guys, good morning. Taking car number 43, I believe, to powder coat right now. Metallic gray will be its color of choice. Let's see. You know, one of the most common questions or kind of concerns of drivers is that we don't get out to enough racetracks. I need to remind you guys that we are a shop of 5 people. Just give you a little backstory. So we have Paul Berger as the owner and manufacturer. We have a full-time employee, Pat Schauer. He is also a fabricator. So we have those 2 fabricators. And then myself, that's full-time. And I do all the driving, running, wherever, whether it's tires, powder coat, wherever we need to go. And then we have Ben. Ben is full-time. He also does mainly assemble and body work. That's our full-time staff. And Paul, 90% of the time, is going to be on the phone. His phone is ringing while he's on a phone call, non-stop. Sometimes he doesn't even get time to hang up before it rings again. So we technically have 3 full-time shop employees that do 89% of the work, okay? And then we have a part-time guy that does all the cutting and bending, and he's here about 9 hours a week. And he's here throughout the evening because he has a full-time job, okay? We have a retired employee who comes in and does our tin work. So that's our staff. So and we build anywhere between 55 to 65 cars in a season. So that's why as much as we try to get Paul out of the shop and get him to these racetracks, 90% of the time that's why he's not at the racetrack is because we just have to produce the product to keep everybody happy. Right now, I believe we have 14 cars left on the build list, and we are on February, 10th? So we're halfway through the month. Is that about right? About halfway through the month of February. Most of your guys' racing seasons have either A, already started, B, will start within the month, in March, and then our local guys around here that just race around here will start in April, May. So it's crunch time, it's do or die time. So just kind of giving you a backstory of why we're not out and about at all these different racetracks like we would like to be. So anyways, like I said, I'm on my way to powder coat, bringing number 43 down for powder, and then we will go back to the shop and see what orders have come in. I know I got some big orders that I ordered yesterday that'll come in that I'll have to stock and put away. So anyways, hope you guys are having a wonderful day. For all you guys racing down in Vegas, good luck, have fun, be safe. Wish we could join you, but unfortunately we were just there in November when it wasn't, it was hectic. but when we were able to break free, now it's crunch time, now it's go time. So good luck to everybody racing, and hopefully we'll have some better footage coming up for you soon. All right, thanks guys.
Well, it's just about 5 o'clock. It's for sure 5 o'clock somewhere, so about that time. Me and Tyler tapped out, tail's done, 4 points all in it obviously. Wedge bars in it, reverse wedge bars in it, serial numbers on it. 43. Front hoops in it. So tomorrow it'll be put the doors on it, finish the front end, and get it off the jig and finish it up. 2-day car. Again, knocked it out. See you guys tomorrow.
All right, good Friday morning. Got a shipment of a few wheels in. We had a customer order some specific ones. Got some chrome beadlock things in. Customer ordered something specific. We have a car leaving today and 2 leaving tomorrow. So I have all their parts picked for the one car that will leave this afternoon. That's one thing that people need to understand is we don't tell you that you have to do your cars in stage 1, 2, or 3. You can kind of get them however you want. So let's see, this car is leaving tomorrow. So the boys aren't doing too bad. They started this one literally yesterday morning, and she's almost done. Or he, I'm not sure. Some people have boys, some people have girls. We got a frame over here that's got to go on this jig. Hopefully that'll happen later this afternoon. This hobby stock is leaving tomorrow. Flat tire, oops. That was one problem that we had this year, is getting wheels and tires. Unfortunately, we sold a lot of cars as rollers, and kind of a shame that we had to send them without wheels and tires. We had to have guys bring them. Things are starting to get a little bit better. I did talk to Arrow here not too long ago, and they're getting a little bit closer on being caught up. And before it was like 16 to 18 weeks out. I think now it is like 8 weeks out. So getting a little bit better. We got the tin that is cut out for the car on the jig. We don't have to install that, but it's all there. We got suspension parts for this gentleman here. He is picking this up as is with the box of parts that I showed you up front. So yeah, this is our progress so far. Kind of a slow day for a Friday, but I'm sure the fabricators don't think that it's a slow day because they got some work to do. But yeah, here's a couple cars leaving today. So have an orange-tastic and a ridiculous day. Beautiful cars. All right, so this guy's going home to its new home in Nebraska. So good luck to this one, and hope we see you in Victory Lane soon. All right, Patrick, what time of the day is it?
4:45.
So it's 4:45 on Friday. This car's coming off the jig.
It is.
And how much work do you guys have left to do on it?
Me and Tyler both worked on it. We've got probably an hour and 40, an hour and a half maybe.
Hour and a half, and this thing will be ready for pickup tomorrow.
Yep.
All right, cool beans. And then Red Tastic's not leaving yet. I guess there's a blizzard. Guess there's a blizzard in North Dakota, so he's not gonna make it. We got parts sitting on the table here for Paul for that car over there. Look what time it is. If you know what that means. If you know, you know, you know.
And if you don't, you probably
And if you don't, you probably won't. So yeah, so Red-tastic will be here for another week. Otherwise, we're done. End of the week, heading home.
2 more cars done.
2 more cars off the list. We'll start 45 and 46 on Monday.